Assalamu alaikum. I am Sayyida Ummehani from Shaheen's Falcon NEET Academy. I joined Shaheen's Falcon NEET Academy while I was in my 12th second PUC. I had completed my 11th in some other college where I did not know what NEET was. I had a dream of becoming a doctor, but I did not know how to achieve it. After joining Shaheen's Falcon NEET Academy, I realized my dreams and I started my preparation to become a doctor. In 2019, I wrote my NEET for the first time and I scored 417 marks. But unfortunately, I couldn't get any government college. So I thought of repeating, but I was discouraged by people telling I may waste my 1 year, I should pursue some other bachelor degree. But it was because of my parents and Subhan sir's guidance that I took a decision of repeating, and I joined Shaheen's Falcon NEET Academy. And in Alhamdulillah, I have scored 552 this year, and inshallah, I'll get a good medical college. Talking about my struggle, my family background, I come from a family where there's no doctor in my family. There was nobody to guide me. After joining Shaheen's Falcon NEET Academy, I was guided by the faculties, the teachers to achieve my dreams. Talking about this institution, it has been a very great platform which helped me to achieve my dreams. Subhan sir was the one who guided us in every step. He was there for us all the time. It was like our preparation was daily basis. We had to prepare every day. We used to have daily tests which made us to study what was done in the class the same day. And we had weekly cumulatives which made us realize where we stand, what mistakes we do. And we had great faculties who were very cooperative, very helping, very kind, who used to solve all kinds of doubts no matter what. They used to be with us in every possible way. And Alhamdulillah, because of them, we are here today. I convey my regards to all the faculties, all my well-wishers, my friends, and especially my parents and Subhan sir, because of whom I stand here today. Today I can say that I am a proud Falconite, and I suggest every student who aspire to become a doctor to join Shaheen's NEET Falcon Academy, which is the best institute which can help you achieve your dreams. It was taught here that every second matters. Self-confidence is everything. It doesn't matter what you wear. Your future matters the most. Your past doesn't matter. If you have a dream of becoming a doctor, then you can do it. You will do it, was all taught to us. So I end my speech by telling I am a proud Falconite, and inshallah I'll get a free government medical college, best medical college this year.
Hello everybody. I think you've heard Dr. Ummehani. For many of the students, I think it is the effort is only, the struggle is only to do well in the examination. But for quite many, there are multiple challenges which they face at home, at the institution, lot of things. This student is a very special student to me, I think, because it reaffirms this particular fact that the belief of mine that institutions are just not meant to produce doctors or just to give results or just to take admissions or just to finish. It's just not that. For me, institution is one of the means to change, to bring out a positive change in the society. I used to see her father here and there because since my college is in Queens Road, I sometimes go for my Friday prayer in this Kambalposh. I used to see that person. I was so happy when that person who was there, who used to give that other perfumes on the Friday and who used to give that caps, that person suddenly came to my cabin and asked for an admission. I was so happy. And then I did not know this girl. That man came for the admission. And he was so humble. He said, "Sir, मेरी बच्ची के लिए कुछ करना है, sir. मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद है, मेरी बच्ची कुछ करना है." There is nothing that man had this humble behavior with very clear determination that his daughter should achieve the best possible thing in her life. Here you have. She joined us in 12th in change of college. That was a difficult year for her because she did not have any preparation of 11th entrance. She worked hard like anything. She missed the first attempt with few marks, but now she is here with you with more than 550 marks. I am pretty confident she is going to get one of the best medical college of the Karnataka state. She has made her father proud. It has proven, this fact is again proven, that nothing is required. You don't need to have your father doctor or mother doctor to become doctor. Not required. What is required is your own efforts, your own determination, your passion for what you want to do. If you are really committed to what you want to do, you will achieve it, irrespective of what situation you are faced with. Alhamdulillah, I'm so happy. She has made us proud. She has made the entire institution proud. You have made your father proud. You have made all of us proud, doctor. I'm so happy on behalf of entire Falcon family, on behalf of my faculty members, teaching, non-teaching, on behalf of the management members, I congratulate you for this amazing NEET results of yours. Congratulations to you, doctor.